Indonesia celebrates National Heroes Day every November 10 to commemorate the struggle of Indonesian heroes and people who fought in the Battle of Surabaya in 1945. The Battle of Surabaya was fought between Indonesian and British Indian troops as a part of the Indonesian National Revolution against the reimposition of Dutch colonial rule. It was the largest single battle of the revolution and became a national symbol of Indonesian resistance. An Ahmadi took part in this war to defend Indonesia's sovereignty. He is Mbah Ahmad, an elder of the Jamaat from Surabaya who is 101 years old. He fought alongside Bung Tomo, a national hero who played an active role in expelling the invaders from Surabaya city. Thanks to information from Mbah Ahmad about the enemy's arsenal, the fighters succeeded in repelling the enemy to take over the city of Surabaya.
Terus Bung Tomo ini ngajak, kon wani perangan tak? Anak-anak ditanya, kon wani perangan? Wani. Anak-anak dibawa ke jalan Mawar, dikumpulkan di situ. Akhirnya anak-anak tukang becak ini kumpul semua. Tukang becak yang banyak tukang becak. Tentara, bukan tentara, tapi habis itu Bung Tomo ini tanya, Cak, panggil saya kan Cak Mat, pernah benak tahu, enak heho ya, iya, berdilin tadi, jalan tidar, aku ronggone, di sekolah Kristen, ya. Akhirnya bawa becak 20, ya betul, bawa becak 20, rame-rame.
When the Indonesian armed forces were formed, Mbah Ahmad joined the army and participated in various important missions against extremist and separatist groups in various parts of Indonesia. Thanks to his services, the Indonesian government has honored Mbah Ahmad many awards, including the Star of Service for Guerrilla Heroes, the Pioneer of Independence from the Indonesian National Armed Forces, and the Veteran of Honor from the Minister of Defense of the Republic of Indonesia. Mbah Ahmad has known the Ahmadiyah since 1950 and took a legion several years ago.
Itu kehendak saya ingin cari ya penuntun yang baik. Ya, bukan tapi cari penuntun yang baik. Ya.
Apakah merasa damai, merasa tenang gitu enggak?
Iya, rasa tentrem.
MTA Indonesia Studios reported from Surabaya, Indonesia.